So, this is our wedding planning tracker. As a wedding planner, mahirap namang paisa-isa ko i-chat kung ano yung tatanungin ko. So, I devised this Excel sheet para lahat ng mga detalye na kailangan sa wedding nandito. So, a glimpse of our tracker. Meron tayong event details. Nandito yung to-do list. So, for example, from the very first na kailangan mong gawin, nandito siya up to the last. Marami siya. So, nakakategorize yan kung task, kung supplier, tapos status, and then, of course, the details. Kunwari, number 1, decide on event date. Kailan daw yung date nyo. Lalagay mo yung details. And then, we also have this, dito yung sa expenses nyo. Para at the end of the wedding planning, matototal nyo kung magkano yung nagastos nyo. So, here, kung magko-compare kayo ng suppliers, pwede nyong isulat dyan. And of course, kung nakapag-decide na kayo ng suppliers, lalagay nyo dyan. It's important because yung host, binibigyan namin ng copy. So, di ka acknowledge or minsan yung couple mismo, hihingi ng copy kasi papasalamatan niya. And yung entourage ninyo, dito nyo ini-enlist. Mahirap kasing handwritten kasi nagbabago-bago pa. Para hindi na tayo magsulat ulit, dito na lang natin siya i-update. And then of course, the guest list, the floor plan, the wedding materials needed, meron tayong checklist ng on the day, yung ceremony flow, yung timeline ng event, yung program, sequence, final reminders, etc. So, this is our wedding planner and ino-offer namin yan sa mga clients namin. So if you want clarity and proper guidance sa wedding planning ninyo, you can book our services, wedding planning, wedding coordinator, pwede ding package na yung suppliers, depende po sa gusto ninyo. Whether you book our services as wedding planner and coordinator or event package as a whole, libre na po yung wedding tracker namin. This is the first time that I shared that to the public. But I realized, gusto ko kasing maintindihan nyo what you're really paying for when you book Let's Do It events is not a bunch of alalay. Hindi lang kayo kukuha ng tao para utusan. Let's Do It events has been in the industry for 5 years. And I built that, continuously upgrading that. Yung tracker, nandyan na lahat ng kailangan mo. Kung susundin mo yan, sobrang konti na lang ng magiging margin of error. And of course, you need to take advantage of our true asset. As a wedding planner and coordinator, yes, i-consult mo ko dun sa mga details. For example, yung venue na ganito kalaki, saan ba yung ganito, ganyan. But you're forgetting something. As a married couple, we can also give you advice. Kung meron kayong family drama, nung kinasal kami, ano ba yung ginawa namin? Paano ba namin kinausap si ganito para pumayag na ganito? Nag-LQ kami kasi si groom ganito. I can be your confidant too. So, depende na lang yon kung gusto mong i-share. But if you want someone to talk to relate to you, and to give you advice, I'm here for you. I'm all ears.